Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, October 16th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the worm finally turned today. We have been just getting beaten up week after week after week, and I was getting pretty depressed. But, I've been through this so many times, and it always feels so good. You just keep getting killed and killed and killed, and then suddenly you get a day where everything turns around, and you sometimes can make up all your losses, sometimes even in a single day. Don't think we did that today, but we may have come pretty close. We'll just have to see. Anyway, these are the statistics. We closed out over $10,000 this morning in our closed out trades. We got into 18 new positions. 16 were positive, only 2 were negative, and we're carrying over $26,000 positive going into tomorrow. You can see here with the Dow chart what happened. The Dow just screamed all day, closing near its high. It is up 548 points. That's the biggest move we've seen in the Dow in a long time. And you notice just how steady this was. And when I'm showing you individual stocks, keep that in mind. This is the kind of pattern we want. And this is the kind of pattern we have not had for a long time. What we've been seeing over and over and over again is that stocks get bid up to the point where maybe we're making a little bit of money in them, and then the sellers come in, they take profits, short sellers come in and drive prices down, and by the time we get out, we either have a loss or some very small profits. Today was different. We'd get into something, it'd just keep going and going and going, and the result is that we have really fine profits. We oftentimes experience this. We'll go through many, many, many days of very poor trading, and then we'll have, one or two really big days during the month. And when we have that, we have winning months. But we need these big days. Anyway, we got one today. I'm just really delighted. Let me show you 3 of the stocks, give you some idea what happened. This first one is one letter I. It's Intelsat SA, and 2 days ago we bought this thing, sold it yesterday. That gave us $1,000 there. Then we re-entered it yesterday. We got out today early, and that gave us another $1,700. Then we re-entered again today, and it just kept screaming all day, closing near its high there, and we're holding $3,700 in open trade profit on that last trade. Add those all 3 together, and that's $6,500 in Intelsat. Just a beautiful series of trades there. Show you one other here. This is just one, but it shows this pattern again. This is HIIQ Health Insurance Innovations Incorporated. We bought this the second hour, and you can see it just kept going, closed absolutely on its high there. No selling at the end, and we have $3,200 in open trade equity in Health Insurance Innovations Incorporated. And finally, our biggest single trade is right here, and this is Labu, Biotech Bull. And of course, we're heavily invested in biotech. So when the biotech bull does this, you know we're making a ton of money because we have all these other stocks that make up that index. Anyway, we got into Lebu just as soon as we can. It kept going. Nice, smooth, upside move, just like the Dow, closing near its high there. And we are holding $6,400 in open trade profit in Lebu. Fantastic trade, fantastic day. Trader Bob is happy, and I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.